What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, it is still, having a bit of a rollover here after having that recent pump to the upside. Obviously, we came all the way up to around 8.7 cents all-time high. And then since then, we have had a bit of a sell-off here where people have just been taking profits and having, a little bit of a correction here. Coming back down, we're basically looking like we're doing something like this where we're just ranging upwards and downwards in a little bit of a range right now, cooling off period, which is totally fine. In my opinion, you can see here, if we draw in this little range here, you see we'll come up, come down. We had a little bit of a fake out to the downside here. We come back inside our range. Retest the top, retest the bottom. We come back up. We have a swing failure pattern of the top of the range, you would say. You come up, and then once you come back inside the range here, people are obviously looking to short this. So they come back inside, and then you can see here, with that confirmation of the retest of the resistance, people will probably get in here. We've rode it all the way down to the bottom here. Most likely, you can see very, very acute and very, very technical, nice little ranging motion here, really. You can see very clearly the up and down movement inside of this little range here. But overall, we're not too concerned about any of this whatsoever. This is looking really, really bullish. We're just consolidating above that previous resistance before the next leg up, most likely, which is good to see. And, on the hourly time frame, things looking pretty flat. Histogram's flat, RSI's flat. Basically just coiling up, waiting for that next move. And on the daily time frame, you can see we're just having a nice little bit of a cool off here, letting the RSI cool off. A little bit of a cool off on the histogram for momentum as well. Really nice to see ourselves coming back down, retesting some support as well. You could say realistically, we could come back down. We still haven't fully retested this previous swing high. So a full retest of this at around 6.7 cents would be perfect to get a real retest of this area and then get that bounce. So that we are basically heading up the stairs like this rather than just starting to go parabolic with no support. Because we all know how that ends up, as we can see with meme coins in general. SHIB being a good example of that right now. It is currently basically rolling over a lot because it made no support whatsoever due to the hype of its pump. But you can see this chart for Verasity still looking extremely bullish, that big cup and handle, and now we are making our way up the stairs, as we said, towards that 10-cent target that we have been looking for a good while here at the 127 extension. Now that we broke that previous all-time high, you can see we pulled the Fibonacci extension here from the previous all-time high to the low. All these fib levels being respected absolutely perfectly. We come up, make a new all-time high, and then since then, we're looking for the extensions, and the first one is that 127 at that 10-cent level, and you can see very clearly here that that is basically our first target here. That 127 at the 10-cent level, big psychological target for a lot of people, and there probably will be a decent amount of resistance there. Also, you can see with this nice little pennant that we formed here, we did have that technical target. If we just show you here, that does take us perfectly, by the way, to like pretty much the exact cent, all the way up to that 10-cent level. So we are just making our way towards that currently. Things looking really good. Verasity just having a bit of a chill out over the past few days, but we are expecting, that 10-cent level to come in the next few weeks, if not beyond, very, very shortly, because, top quality project. Very, very large amount of trading volume currently. You can see the volume is the highest it's ever been currently, which is great to see. A lot of trading volume. A project that is getting a lot of eyes on it now. And congratulations to anyone who bought it back here, because, you're probably doing ridiculously well at this point. So very, very nice to see indeed. A really top quality project. Obviously, fundamentals really good. If we get more fundamental news about, project launching stuff, another pattern, for example, would be very bullish. And then that if we get that when Binance listing as well, obviously things are going to be looking extremely bullish. So if we roll over from here, we'd say realistically, we could come back down towards that 6.7 cent level, get the bounce to the upside. That would be very bullish in our opinion to fully retest that previous swing high. or a little bit lower, potentially coming down towards what are we looking at here, 6.1 cents. And then if we move to the upside, looking for that 10-cent level, and then beyond that, 50 cents to $1, we do think very, very possible. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.